Hurricanes and tornadoes in West Virginia. Charleston is in shambles after being hit by a hurricane. A destructive storm and predicted tornado caused damage to several areas in West Virginia on Tuesday, April 2nd. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning in the Charleston area early in the morning. Scattered video footage also shows strong winds carrying flying debris in the city. Straight-line winds even exacerbated damage to a building located along Quarrier Street, Charleston. The Charleston Fire Department immediately responded and reported that there were no injuries reported as a result of this incident. However, officials said that part of the roof was also damaged.